Right, when you get to that point, mostly what you need to remove is that you've got a tab clip just here which you need to compress. Just use pliers and leave it in position where it is, and 1 6mm screw holding the motor in position. It mostly wedges behind like so. It's difficult to do one hand. Lift that up. I've got a temp holding it on the back, just needs to slot in, so you need to go at an angle and tilt it. I'm not going to put it back on just because I took it out just now. Then you'll remove all the 6mm bolts holding the plastic cover to the actual mostly heater matrix. I think I'm just going to manage without removing the support for the dash, because if I did, I had to unscrew these, remove these plastic trims, mostly take the whole thing out. Let's see how it goes. If I need to, I need to, but if not, I'll just leave it and carry on with that.